Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to modify a document using DocuSign, specifically editing templates in DocuSign CLM. This guide will help you streamline your document management and edit directly on DocuSign's platform. First, head over to the DocuSign website. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's quick and easy. Otherwise, log in using the login option at the top right of the homepage. Once logged in, go to Templates. Here you'll see a library of templates you've created or shared with your team. Find the template you want to edit, hover over it, and click the three-dot menu for more options. Select Edit to open the document in an editable state. Now you can modify your document, change text, add fields, or update any details. DocuSign's editing tools make it easy to ensure your document is accurate and up to date. Finally, save your changes. This keeps your edits secure and ready for review, approval, or finalization.